What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at this awesome stock today, guys. Tesla stock, one of our favorite stock, guys, and I'm super excited like always to cover Tesla with you, and especially the days that it goes up as per what we have been talking about in the price action, that it has given us those confirmations on last Friday and before that as well, how things have been technically working out really great for Tesla. And this thing today also had a really great green day. I'll show you a lot of data in this video, and also my bot, and also most importantly I'll be also taking you over to my options chain analysis a little bit as well, what changes has happened on Teslas for the options as the price has been making its journey. More on this in just a second. Just looking at the chart would not give you any clue. I'll explain you through that options graphs as well there, what's been going on. And all in all, I'll be sharing my opinion, and let's see where Tesla is heading from here. Can Tesla still hit $200 level by Friday? Or is it gonna stay choppy here? How things are looking like all in all? We'll dissect all that price action in this video, guys. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion and nothing more than that, just an educational opinion here, guys. Okay, so Tesla market outperformer today. Semiconductors, broader market had a mixed day or a sell-off, but Tesla just outshined the market today again. That's awesome. Now, let's talk about couple of things. I want to talk about this graph on the options first, and then we'll jump into the technicals as well. So as you have been seeing my videos, and guys, I would highly suggest that if you can check this video out that I did over the weekend on Tesla options analysis, calls are about to print money. This options part that I'll cover in this video will make a lot more sense. I'll still provide the background, but it's just going to make it a lot more easier for you if you can check out that video as well. So now, first thing I want to mention that we identified over the weekend that Tesla is bullish. All right, there was just double bottom forming, confirmations forming, positive sentiment coming in from Elon Musk that Reuters is lying, right? And robotaxis are coming. Reuters is lying that cheaper EV model plan is being scrapped, and that was a lie. Elon called it out, and Elon said robotaxis are coming in. That set Tesla stock up for this price action technical, and I'll talk about technicals in just a second after we are done that graph. But yes, I said that there's just more upside to come, and calls will print the money. Now, to my surprise, I can't believe that on the options, many traders still bet on the wrong side, on the puts. I can't believe it, and I'll show you why. Like, the data is speaking, okay? So this gray, don't worry about this gray and black line, even if it shows up as written as puts. These are not puts, sorry. It's just the way the labeling is going on here. But this gray line here is where our price was, where we closed over the weekend, somewhere around here in this area, right? 166 at least in the, let me see, where were we? At least when we closed, the price was at 165 almost. We know post-market we went up, but options data is based off of when the market was, at least for what we were looking for, right? The price line. So, and we talked about the sentiment is becoming bullish, right? So this is where that dividing line was, the closing price. And the puts, here puts are the dark red, which were the puts open interest on Friday end, like over the weekend, okay? And similarly, dark green are the ones which had the calls over the weekend, open interest. And the bright red are the change. What is the open interest at this price, at this particular price today, to this date when the price has closed at 100 and almost 77. This is the darker black line, or dark line, or black line here, right? This is where the current price has closed. So bright red is the change that happens from weekend all the way to now on the puts, and bright green is the change that is happening on the calls from the weekend. Now, one thing I can also add in the data is what is the accumulated change on the percent. I'll do that as well for upcoming videos. But this is what surprises me, that bright red is much more higher. The percentage change in puts to the upside, oh well, percentage change of the open interest on the puts is more than the calls, and it means that the open interest on puts, people opened more puts, like they were playing more puts on Tesla, even though the price action was looking bullish. This is ridiculous. Like, traders had clear-cut direction to make money on the calls. We covered all of it, right? That Tesla is looking bullish, and I can't believe still much more volume and more puts are open. Actually, this is crazy. This is ridiculous. This just makes me, I mean, this is crazy. I mean, why? I mean, calls, yes, we are seeing like a lot of these calls have made money already. The price has moved they're in the money now. But you can see the percentage green change is less than that puts change. Wow, like even further looking out, we still have less calls. Oh my, wow. And the puts have piled. This is ridiculous. I mean, sorry to say, but all these traders who have tried to play the puts or have opened puts on Tesla, they're going to lose big. They're going to lose money on the put side, because Tesla in the technicals, it's not showing weakness. Now, let's now jump into the technicals and let's talk through the things. So I want to show you real quick my day trading bot first. And so this is from today. Again, great profitable day, got in good, made good exits out as well in profits. This is the last 30 trades of data. So far looking great. And yeah, if you need access to my tools, I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, Wall Street alerts as well. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. All the tools are meant for education purposes only. And yeah, you are responsible for anything that how you use these tools. I use them for reference and only for education purposes. Okay, so let's go to the daily interval. Oops, sorry, not weekly. Daily. Weekly is also looking good. I'll show you that as well, but let's talk about the daily first. So guys, great stuff. Yesterday we were already above 20 days moving average, and today we received that follow through momentum to the upside, and I still have my position, don't you worry. And so yeah, I still have my long position that I'm carrying, that I really managed here in the net profitability, and also loaded some more down there, and still holding good amount of it, loving the money, loving the profits. So yeah, so Tesla today also pushed through above 20 days moving average, found a great support there, and is rocketing up. We already have this on the daily interval, really good double bottom formed. All the bad news, in my opinion, for Tesla is out of the way. Tesla is looking great and strong again to me. We have also broken this pivot point for Tesla that was, trying to, this was the confirmation of double bottom, right? The losing this pivot, break of the structure on the pivot to the upside on a positive sentiment. And this has made Tesla really good again, looking bullish on the daily interval. Now, the next level, is that definitely getting above 50 days moving average. Let's see if this week we can close the daily at least candle above 50 days moving average. That's a big win in itself. And yeah, $200 is still possible by Friday, in my opinion. So Tesla is in the uptrend. Let's talk about things on the hourly interval. Let me just do that. Okay, so what we are seeing on the hourly interval is a clear-cut higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows still. All right, we have, these are your higher lows, right? Another pivot today confirmed, and higher highs. Now we want to push through above the level of 178 tomorrow. Most importantly, if we can get above 180 and close above 180 tomorrow, that's like perfect, awesome. So Tesla is in higher highs, higher lows, intraday is still bullish, and we are clearly just following this trend line, guys. Even today you can see great support on that trend line, looking great, right? So this is what I have talked about in the other yesterday video as well. Just follow this trend line. So things are looking awesome. So Tesla is still trying to go up, you can see that, right? I'm going to just get rid of this trend line for now, just to keep the chart cleaner. but you get my point, right? We are also above 200 hours moving average. We almost, we had a wick down here, but found support at trend line, found support at 200 hours moving average, found support at 20 and 50 hours moving average. Looking awesome, guys. Most importantly as well, we have broken out of 175 level and have found support here as well, retests, right? And we again continued higher. So tomorrow, Tesla, let's see if we can break above 180. If we do that, we have opened up the door to 185 almost, and above that is an easy ride to $200. So because that's when Tesla will be able to cover a lot of this ongoing resistance here, right, in this zone. So that's what we want to eventually get out of. But Tesla is looking awesome, guys. This is looking great. Junior trader, do you think there's a possibility and risk to the downside? Well, there's definitely a probability of either side. Right now, I would say bullish. We are still 80%, just like yesterday, as I said, that we are most likely 80% bullish. And even right now, we are 80% bullish in my opinion, just my opinion, okay? Now, structure break to the downside. Again, if Tesla closes tomorrow below 175, I'm concerned, yes. If Tesla can close above 175, I'm not concerned. This is still a bullish play. It may continue to go up. Even on the intraday, it is bullish in my opinion. And as long as Tesla tomorrow is not breaking below 175, it's an intraday long play. Definitely keep a close eye on 180 just because there is a supply zone from today. So something to just keep an eye on to see if price action tries to reject here and tries to zigzag. But I won't play bearish. Well, if you're a good scalp trader, whatnot, you can use my day trading levels plus, again, part of my indicator. You can scalp out. Look at it, how well this levels work, right? Day trading levels plus. You can see these support at the orange lines or day trading levels plus. Once you broke out of it, we went all the way to our next levels, right? We came lower, found support at our orange lines again multiple times and kept going up. So use the levels, trade like that. In my opinion, Tesla is still bullish, looking great, still almost going up, right? And yeah, so it's still, in my opinion, intraday long. Keep an eye on 180. If it sells off at 180 or you see price action rejecting and reacting here again tomorrow, let's see if it comes lower but finds support at 178. If it breaks that as well, we will see. I don't want to trade Tesla short because in my opinion, there is, at least for tomorrow, if Tesla breaks below 175 tomorrow in the early morning hours, sure, this can go much lower then. But if throughout the day it keeps going up to 180 and then in the afternoon it starts to sell off, that's not a short play, that's just a pullback, because that's 178 is going to act as a good support again. And that's just then a cool off and a pullback, and we'll have to see if it continues higher. But right now, guys, in the structure, as to say, I'm still just seeing upside on it. I'm not seeing any downside, just my opinion. And all in all, I showed you all the confluences that Tesla is showing: higher highs, higher lows, trend lines, double bottoms, broken above 200 hours moving average. It's above some resistance levels as well now. Really good support it has been forming. So this is looking great to me, in my opinion, guys, Tesla. So, well, let's take a look at weekly interval as well real quick. And let's see what just how high level things are looking like here. And we have, yeah, so $200 is almost, yeah, it's still the possibility, this week, as we can push through. And most importantly, if we can push through this pivot, and yeah, if we can push through this pivot, then there's definitely, this week would be a really great week because we have pushed through the pivot and we have negated the bearish sentiment for coming days and weeks, in my opinion. So guys, I'm in the bull camp of for Tesla. I have my position as well, you already know that, and things are looking great in my opinion. So that's all for this video. I'll talk about QQ and SPY a little bit with NVIDIA when I'll do it later today, but this is for Tesla, guys. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe. Okay, bye.